Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice here. In previous video I have talked about the density of the wig, and I said the density is mostly depends on the weight of the wig, and secondly is decided by the long hair proportion of the wig. And today's video I'm gonna show you a closure wig and with a great density and fullness, and let me show you this. This is a 22 inches closure wig made of 2.5 22 inches bundle with one 4x4 closure. And this is a very popular curly we are making, and this curly is very popular, we make a lot. And please see the inside structure of the closure wig, and this is a 4x4 closure wig. This is closure 4 inches by 4 inches, and inside there is a band and also elastic belt here, and the comb of the wig. And also here is we have doing all the baby hair by default, and also a very natural hairline, so that when you just cut the lace and it will be very realistic in the front. Actually, you can customize the inside structure, like if you wanna no band, we will not put the band, and you wanna no comb, we can also remove the comb as you wish, and also the cap size. And also of course you can decide how many bundle of you want to make for this wig. You can decide 2 bundles, 3 bundles, or 2.5, 1.5 bundles. You can decide. I want to show you how great this wig is constructed, because like there we have a team of very skilled technicians and who are also working very carefully, and so the structure and all the work have been done very carefully and very skillfully. So the wig is really great constructed, which can make your wig last for a very long time without a shedding or tangling issue. And also it was super comfortable for you to wear this wig. Also with our hair quality, which is no matter it's Remy or raw hair, both hair will be great for your daily use and can make sure that you can use for a great longevity. And all here is very greatly constructed, very careful, and we have a great quality check process so that all the wig will be greatly constructed and very well and pass all the quality checks, so that it can be shaped, that you don't have to worry about you're getting any bad hair or whatever. And please check this wig again. This is a very popular curly we make a lot for our clients. And look at how thick and how full this wig is. So if you wanna customize your own wig according to your own interest, you can contact us, or you can place the order on our website. We will do the best for yourself. Thanks for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, make sure that subscribe, and we share a lot about our factory works, about and everything about the hair. Thanks a lot and have a great day.